In the intricate world of ant colonies, caste means everything, and destiny is determined before birth. Some ants will grow wings, develop complex eyes, and spend their lives reproducing as queens. Others will remain wingless workers, laboring tirelessly for the colony. But here's the mystery that has puzzled scientists for decades. How do genetically identical ants end up with such dramatically different fates? A groundbreaking new study from the Rockefeller University has finally cracked the code, revealing that the path to becoming a queen isn't just about genetics or environment alone. It's about how both factors work together through one crucial element: body size. For years, scientists knew that both genes and environment influenced ant castes, but the exact mechanism remained unclear. Some researchers theorized that caste determination might be independent of body size, similar to other insects, but ants, it turns out, are different. The research team used an extraordinary species called the Clonal radar ant to solve this puzzle. These remarkable insects reproduce asexually, creating genetically identical offspring that develop in perfect synchronization, making them ideal for controlled experiments. What the scientists discovered was revolutionary. Body size acts as the primary switch determining caste, but genes set the rules for when that switch gets flipped. When researchers manipulated environmental factors like food supply and temperature, they found that these changes only affected caste by first influencing the ant's final size. Starved larvae grew smaller and became workers. Well-fed larvae grew larger and developed queen-like traits. Size was the determining factor. But here's where it gets fascinating. The researchers then tested ants from different genetic lines and found that some genetic variants could trigger queen-like development at much smaller body sizes than others. The genes weren't just controlling how big an ant could grow, they were rewriting the size requirements for royalty. As researcher Patrick Pikarsky explains, no matter which environmental variable you manipulate, the relationship between body size and caste remains unchanged and is genetically encoded. This discovery goes far beyond measuring tiny insects. Understanding how individual ants differentiate helps scientists grasp how complex societies evolve and function. Ant colonies operate as superorganisms, with each member playing a specialized role that emerges from this intricate interplay of size, genes, and environment. The implications extend to our broader understanding of cooperation, division of labor, and social evolution across thousands of ant species worldwide. By revealing how nature creates queens and workers from identical genetic blueprints, this research illuminates one of biology's most elegant examples of how the same genome can produce dramatically different outcomes. The next time you see ants marching in formation, remember you're witnessing a society where body size literally determines royalty and genes set the rules for who gets to wear the crown. For more on this story, find a link to the article on Earth.com in the description.